has been mined from Carlin Trend to date. Annual production over 1.5 million ounces, making it more productive than Peru or Ghana in some of those years. Imagine this place in Nevada. Imagine. I've looked at it through like the satellite views, for example, and imagine being there, seeing that, how it works. I'm sure some of you may have had the privilege to have done that and been there, for example. But what makes it so unique? What makes it so unique out of the other gold mines around the world, for example? Is it invisible gold? Is it microscopic particles embedded in the rock? Miners use heap leaching and roasting techniques to extract the gold from there. These gold particles are so small they can't be seen with the naked eye or panned like the traditional gold. You know, like you put it in the ground and then you kind of sift it and then you can see. But this, apparently you can't do it that way. So this has really changed how the geologicalists understood the gold deposits. This discovery is literally created a new category. It's called Carlin type deposits. So have you heard of invisible gold? Would you even invest in gold you can't even see? Comment yes or no in the chat, because I know what I would be thinking. So let's talk about the impact and the power. So Nevada accounts for over 70% of all US gold production. The mining industry, it supports tens of thousands of jobs and contributes billions to the economy. I need to investigate that section as well. Okay, so now there's New Mount and Barrick operates a massive joint venture in the region. This is not just about gold. This is about national economic power and currency influence. Don't you agree? What do you think, for example? Now, people are saying that there is a gold hoarding conspiracy going on. So let's dive into this, shall we? The official US gold reserve is at 8,133 tons. Most stored at Fort Knox, West Point and Denver, for example, New York. Audits of Fort Knox haven't been fully public since 1974. That's quite some time. About 50 years, would you say? So some claim that the US is hoarding gold from Nevada mines secretly, keeping reserves off the books to maintain global currency dominance. Engagement with this would be really important. So, do you believe that the US has more gold than it claims, or do you think it's less? So the theories that have been said is that the US, that they're mining and storing this gold in a secret location. Could this be possible? To strengthen the geopolitical position? Or could the gold already be leased, sold, or long gone, disappeared? Maybe that's why some of it's saying it's the invisible gold. Maybe it's disappeared. It's been lost. Got into the wrong hands. It's leased. They've lost the paperwork. Or it's been sold. What do you think? So there's ongoing explorations in finding more underground gold deposits. So they're trying to look at automation, and AI technology are being used to improve the extractions happening. And with the gold prices rising, new mines are becoming profitable again.